Can a simple act of gardening transform your mental health? In our video, 10 surprising ways gardening can boost your mental health, we'll cultivate a deeper understanding of the powerful intersection of nature, gardening, and mental wellness. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener, a hobbyist, or someone just curious about mental health and wellness, this video is designed with you in mind. Chapter 1. Gardening as a stress buster. As you plunge your hands into the earth, feel the sun on your skin, or take in the aroma of blooming flowers, your body responds by reducing the production of cortisol, a hormone associated with stress. This simple act of gardening, the touch and connection with nature, can be your secret to a stress-free life. Chapter 2. The mindfulness of gardening. Being in a garden forces you to focus on the details, the rustling of leaves, the intricate patterns on a flower petal, the soft rustle of the wind. Such acute awareness of your surroundings allows you to practice mindfulness, helping you stay anchored in the present moment. Chapter 3. Gardening boosts cognitive function. Gardening is not just about sowing and reaping. It involves strategic planning, problem-solving, and learning. These mental exercises keep your brain active and engaged, potentially boosting cognitive functions such as memory and attention span. Chapter 4. Gardening and self-esteem. Every sprout that breaks through the soil and every flower that blooms in your garden is a direct result of your care and effort. This sense of accomplishment fuels your self-esteem, making you realize that you can make a difference, even in a small way. Chapter 5. Gardening as physical exercise. Whether you're digging the soil or pulling out weeds, gardening is a great way to keep active. And as you may already know, physical activity stimulates the production of endorphins, chemicals in the brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. Chapter 6. Reconnecting with nature through gardening. In our modern, fast-paced world, we sometimes lose touch with nature. Gardening provides a direct connection to the earth, grounding us, and reminding us of the world's natural rhythms and cycles. Chapter 7. Gardening and mood enhancement. Just imagine stepping out into a garden full of vibrant colors and lush foliage. The sight alone can lift your spirits, and as you nurture these plants and watch them grow, you'll experience a sense of joy and contentment that can enhance your mood. Chapter 8. The routine of gardening reduces anxiety. There's comfort in routine and predictability. The regular tasks of gardening, watering, pruning, and planting, offer a rhythm that can create a sense of order and control in your life, helping to soothe anxiety. Chapter 9. Gardening and creativity. Designing your garden layout, deciding which plants to grow, and where to place them. These are all creative choices. Gardening is a canvas for your imagination and allows you to express your creativity, bringing a sense of fulfillment and happiness. Chapter 10. Gardening for a healthier diet. What could be healthier than eating the fruits and vegetables you've grown yourself? Knowing where your food comes from and that it's free from harmful pesticides can motivate you to adopt a healthier diet. In conclusion, gardening is a versatile activity that offers a rich blend of mental health benefits, from stress reduction and enhanced mood to improved focus and creativity. It serves as a calming sanctuary, a cognitive stimulant, and a creative outlet, among other roles. It helps us reconnect with nature, offers a form of physical exercise, and even encourages healthier eating habits. As we wrap up this video, we want to ask, what do you enjoy most about gardening? How has it contributed to your mental well-being? We encourage you to share your gardening experiences in the comments section below. We value your input and look forward to hearing your stories. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!